and I just had pictures taken. Can you look at the camera, baby girl? Now we're gonna head home after a day at work and photo shoot. Hello, Crystal here with Factory Girl Design. We are on the 6th day of December. It's Friday. We made it to the end of the work week. It started out slow and then it just flew on by. At least that's what it was for me. But anyways, popping in here tonight. It's another busy day. Had a few little projects done around my place that I had been wanting to get done for some housekeeping things or just like organizing, making things all work a little bit better. And then work, which is always, you never know what you're going to get at work. It's always a good day, but well, for the most part, they're always good days. This week, fortunately, each day has been a good day, but a lot going on. And whenever we near the end of the year, and I'm sure a lot of people feel this in their places of business, but it just gets to be a lot happening and lots of last minute rushes and things that people need. But it's fun and it's wonderful to talk with all of our customers too on a regular basis. And then this afternoon, Sophie and I snuck out a little bit early to go have some photos taken. I did get her sweater done and she wore it today. This is the finished piece. You'll see a little clip in here too with her in it. Sophie. So it was not her favorite thing to wear today. She did a good job though. And I can't wait to see what my friend photographer Janelle comes up with for us. So hopefully there's some good shots. I'm sure there will be. I know there will be of Sophie. It's me I'm worried about. But anyways, I wanted to pop in here and open the Advents with you. So let's go ahead and get started with that. And then I'll tell you about a few other things that all kind of came together today. So very exciting. Oh, I'm going to start with the card first. Our holiday cheer card. See what today's reads. Ring out the old, ring in the new. Alfred Lord Tennyson. Yes. Let's start with Becky from Purlsmith. Her day number 6 stitch marker. Oh, this is a darling little one. A little guy, little gal. A really pretty blue. I'm sorry. Maybe you can see that a little better there when it's hanging by itself. But that's gorgeous. Like a little bit of a purpley and a royal blue all mixed together. Very, very pretty. Okay, Blue Fern Yarns. Day number 6. Pretty purple. I love these colors. I'm such a sucker for purple. So pretty. I did put all the other colors in a bag and I have them all prepped to be able to take photos of them. So that'll be, I gotta like this weird wispy hair thing. So that will be happening sometime this weekend. All right. Magpie Fibers, day number 6. I think this one might be yarn again. Let's see. Oh, I'm right. I'm right. Oh my goodness. You're speckled. Look at Sophie. Look at this. I hope you can see that. It's like a soft purpley gray. And then it has just gorgeous pops of little speckles in there that you can kind of see them a little bit better. Oh, this is so pretty. Now we have number 6 from So Happy Jane. Blood. See what is. All right. We have Wyoming. Visiting Wyoming in late summer means golden fields dotted with bison. A breathtaking sight that captures the essence of the American West. So true. Let's see what this color is. Gosh, you guys. This is gorgeous. Look at that. No, it's my light. All right, we're getting to the blue nighttime tones. So, oh, there you go. A little bit better back there. So pretty. Okay, do you guys want to do a quick rundown of the So Happy Jane colors? I just so happened to round them up. Let's see here. Day 1, Grandma's Cherry Tree. Day 2 is day 3. 4, sorry. Cool. 5 and 6. Look at that gorgeous rainbow of color. So pretty. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. This will be fun to get working on something. Well, those are all of the advents for today. So that is so much fun. I wanted to also share, some of you may or may not know, but I also have maker's boxes. It's something that I started this year in 2024, and they ship quarterly and for the season. So starting in January with winter, spring is in April, summer's July, and then fall is in October. And this year I introduced also a holiday box that shipped prior to December 1st. And I haven't really been revealing much about what was in there, but today I grabbed a couple of the items to bring home. I had one extra box that I've been saving, but I'm like, I gotta take this home. I want to use a couple of things. I wanted to share these with you to kind of give you a little bit of, hi, Sophie, an idea of what was in there. These two things that I brought home tonight are just like, to me, they're like the perfect comfort piece of every evening for me. And one is lighting a candle. So there were 3 different scents that were available. This is the Winter Wonder scent. There was Winter Wonder, Golden Hour, and Home for the Holidays. The box theme was Golden Hour. And yeah, this one. I was trying to remember what this one smelled like. Do you want to smell it? Ooh. It's a mix of like juniper, cranberries, and I think like a nutmeg undertone, but it smells really good. So I'm going to light this tonight. And also included in the box, oh, I guess I didn't unpackage this because I just grabbed it from the box, was a fun little ceramic container. You want some bubble wrap? Occupy yourself. Little match holder. So I have matches and my candle for this evening. I thought it'd be kind of fun to share a few of the things that are in that box too as I go on here. And as the days go on, I'll probably share a few other things too. But if you're interested in learning more about the maker's boxes, I'll post a link in the comments. Take a peek. They're fun little presents for yourself or for your other maker friends that are near and dear to you. The 2025 theme is Desert Blooms, and I'm really excited for the winter box. There's only a few left, so if you want to give it a shot, you can buy just one box. You don't have to buy the whole year. There's 2 subscription options, a half year or a full year, but they do often sell out. So there's just a few left of the winter box, and that will ship the first week of January. So if you're interested, check it out. The other thing I wanted to share, and this just popped up today, I am going to head to Chicago tomorrow. It's about a 4.5 hour, well, just over a 4-hour drive, close to 4.5 hours to get right downtown. So I'm going to leave in the morning, and Sophie's going to have an overnight at Puppy Hotel and hang out with whatever friends happen to be there. I'll pick her up Sunday when I get back, but I'm going to head down to Knit One Chicago and hang out with the crew there. Mitchell Wool Company is going to be there from 2 to 5 on Saturday, tomorrow. And I'm going to head down and hang out with them, and we'll have some of my patterns there, some different designs that came out earlier this fall in time for Rhinebeck. And we have a couple new things that we're working on that are going to be coming out right after the first of the year. So those samples will be down there. and it'll just be fun to hang out with them. Knit One Chicago is a brand new flagship shop for Mitchell Wool. So if you're in the Chicago area and you're looking for something to do tomorrow, head on down there. You'll get a chance to see all of the gorgeous yarn from Mitchell Wool and their beautiful bases, and learn more about their farm, the animals that they have, and all of their natural dyeing techniques and that. They're a pretty cool team. So yeah, so that's happening too. But now for the rest of the evening, I'm finally home before it's like pitch black outside. And so I'm going to wrap this up early for the evening and just kind of take it easy and spend some time with Sophie. Give her all the love and attention that she hasn't been getting this week because I've been running around doing a lot of other things. We are going to have just a fun little Friday night girls' night. But anyways, I hope you all have a fabulous Friday, that you enjoy your evenings, do something fun, do something for you, take care of you. And I'll be back sometime tomorrow on Saturday, and I'll also capture some of the different events of the day and that too. But anyhow, good evening, you all. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.